Welcome to the Gem Strathmore Hotel. Come in, come in.
Welcome to the Gem Strathmore Hotel, a 4-star retreat nestled in the heart of South Kensington, London. This beautifully restored Victorian mansion was once the home of the Earl of Strathmore, great-grandfather to King Charles III. Today, it combines historic charm with modern luxury. Inside, you'll find 77 elegantly designed ensuite rooms, perfect for both leisure and business travelers, complete with carved wood furniture, flat-screen TVs, and Wi-Fi. Enjoy delicious meals at the in-house restaurant or a classic afternoon tea in the cozy lounge bar. Business guests can take advantage of state-of-the-art meeting rooms with advanced AV systems for seamless virtual or in-person events. And when it's time to explore, iconic attractions like Kensington Palace, the Victoria and Albert Museum, and Harrods are just a short stroll away. Discover timeless elegance and modern comfort at the Gem Strathmore Hotel, where history meets hospitality.
Sorry, let's do that again. Strathmore.